Al Mizan International School, Amravati. Al Mizan International School, Amravati is an independent day school for children aged from 3 to 16. The school meets its objectives by providing outstanding Islamic environment with Quran and Urdu language classes, enabling students to achieve excellence in this world and hereafter. Our aim is to educate the future citizens who can promote diversity and Islamic ethos with academic excellence.
We educate, nurture, and support the students with dedicated and passionate staff to provide them with the inspiration to achieve beyond their capabilities. We care for our students' safety and our infrastructure is tailor-made. Each child gets separate chair and desk which is ergonomically designed to give comfort.
With 24 students per class and well-ventilated ecosystem, our classrooms are designed to maintain social distance and keep the children healthy. We aim to enable students who can contribute positively to the world by integrating happiness curriculum with the core subjects, languages, and morals, which will enable students to be ambassadors of the Creator, Insha'Allah, and improve the conditions of the community at large.
Experience is the best teacher. Under this framework, learning outside the classroom is an active process whereas students encounter authentic problems, construct novel hypotheses, test for real solutions, and interact with others to make sense of the world around them.
Our library program is a holistic, activity-based program from Hippocampus Reading Foundation. Through this program, we aim to lead children to read books at their skill levels, assess their reading levels, and help improve their reading comprehension and fluency at a pace that they are comfortable with.
Our ICT lab provides digital access to students across socio-economic and geographical barriers for improved academic performances. Sports develop the physical as well as mental strength in students. Through our sports classes, we aim to teach various skills to students like leadership, patience, teamwork, and social emotional skills.
Students enjoy making short films, taking photographs, working with sound systems at a Mizan studio, providing an opportunity to hone their media skills by capturing moments of school events and preserving the memories of the school life.
Our 7 C's integrated curriculum of 21st century skills are the abilities that today's students need to succeed in their careers during the information age. The 7 C's: critical thinking, communication, cultural appreciation, creativity, caring, community engagement, and collaboration are intended to help students keep up with the lightning pace of today's global modern markets. We strive to ensure students who are aware of environmental issues through clean and green environment by conducting a wide range of activities related to environmental protection, responsible consumption, and ecological awareness.
We confidently invite parents and guardians to come and take a tour of our school, understand our system, and experience some of the amazing things we have to offer for your child. So what are you waiting for? Get in touch with Al Mizan International School now.